I am a contracting officer, which means that I create the high dollar contracts over $10,000 for supplies or over $2,500 for construction.
Awesome, thank you. Do you work with veterans? If so, about how many would you say you work with?
There are veterans as fellow coworkers. I'd say probably um, hmm, I'd say it's probably about 60% of the employees are veterans. Uh, what we do is indirect support for the veterans overall. So, yeah.
Okay. Is that within the whole VA or just like your department? That 60%.
The 60% is probably within mine, although the VA does have a mandate as a hiring preference for veterans.
Nice.
So we do have a higher quota or requirement to hire veterans over what other federal agencies do.
Nice. And then within the VA, do you believe that there are people with hidden disabilities? Would you say that that is a true statement?
Yes.
Okay. As an employee, do you think that it is harder to rise within VA positions with a hidden disability made visual through the use of an aid? Like a service animal or just need for support?
That's kind of difficult to say. With a lot of the hidden disabilities, there's different levels of it. Because it is a health organization, more people are accepting and it's more open about the hidden disabilities and the accommodations. I don't see necessarily a direct link between lack of promotion or not, but there are instances, and I don't know that it's necessarily because of the hidden disability, but whereas work performance might be affected by that hidden disability. So it's more ranking on the performance over promotion, which is in essence why you're being promoted, is your
work performance.
Your
but
work
they don't
performance.
Evaluate your disability a disability combined with the promotional opportunities. Do you think outside the VA this would be different?
Yes.
Why do you feel this way?
Well, the VA is a very unique organization where it is for veterans with a vast majority, or not vast, but definitely a majority or an equal amount of veterans hired in the agency. So it's people with a lot of those same hidden disability components helping those with those as well. So the dynamic's different, whereas other avenues of government, if there is that hidden disability, depending on what accommodations needed, that can hinder promotions. I have seen that in other agencies.
Thank you. And then is there anything the VA does that would be beneficial for other agencies to do for their employees that have hidden disabilities?
Well, we get monthly e-letters on different support services that are available to the veterans and the employees. One of the things that I receive, not just a general support email, but is also for PTSD support, because I work with several that have PTSD. So it's very helpful to read some of the articles and different aspects of that disorder and how it can affect in the workplace. And most of it is geared, or a big majority of the articles are geared towards coping and understanding it in the workplace. So I think making that material available